I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering everything and heating the kai iron. This opens pores and loosens residue. Once warm, sprinkle a generous layer of coarse salt across the cooking surface. Use a stiff brush or folded paper towel to scrub in firm circular motions until bits lift. Make sure to replenish salt if it clumps, and keep your hand steady to avoid slipping. Once the surface looks cleaner, move immediately to rinsing so salt and dislodged debris don't re-embed. After coarse scrubbing, rinse the kai iron briefly with hot water to carry away salt and loosened food. You want to avoid long soaking. Prolonged water contact promotes rust. Once rinsed, immediately dry the surface on the stove over low heat until all moisture evaporates. Then apply a thin layer of neutral oil and spread evenly with a paper towel. This fills micropores and prevents oxidation. Make sure to wipe away excess, so the finish stays thin. You finish by applying a very thin coat of oil and heating until it just begins to smoke. This polymerizes the oil into a protective layer. Once done, let the kai iron cool and then store it in a dry place or with a paper towel inside to absorb moisture. Use the pan regularly to strengthen seasoning. If you see rust, act quickly. Scrub with steel wool to bare metal, dry completely, then repeat the thin oil heating step to restore a smooth, non-stick surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.